Namaste. My name is Priya, and recently I have completed my 500-hour course with the Vinyasa Yogashala. My experience here had been amazing so far. It's a wonderful journey that I have been in. Vinyasa never lets you down. It provides you with all the incentives that you need, and the teachers here are amazing. So they are like highly knowledgeable, and they never fail to share or support you. They'll always be there to guide you and uplift you. And here we have also done many excursions so far. Like we have been to rafting, we have been to Kunjapuri temple, to Ganga Ghat, and lot more. The food here is delicious, so that's amazing. And overall, it was a very good journey. Thank you.